It's time for your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Well, right now we are looking over Longview where the skies are overcast, as you can see, but no rain falling right now. We do expect to see some moving in this afternoon, more in the form of showers and less in the form of thunderstorms. 63 right now in Longview with an east-northeast wind at 9 miles per hour. Now, you can see on radar we do have approaching showers and a few thunderstorms moving in, starting to cross the Trinity River at this point. While this one little cluster of showers is passing over Sam Rayburn and just about to reach Toledo Bend as it heads over into Louisiana. No severe weather in any of this, at least not close to our area. There is a little bit back in the hill country where we saw a severe thunderstorm warning just go away there between Llano and San Saba out in the hill country. Well, as we take a look at your chances for rain over the next 7 days, we do have a 50% chance today. Best chance of rain will be on Friday, an 80% chance it will linger in through Friday evening, and by midnight Friday night should be wrapping up. Maybe by that time we could have 1 to 2, maybe as much as 3 inches of rainfall in the area. So a nice soaking rain, and the good news is that this will come with a much less chance of severe storms than what we've been seeing the past few days. Then we get some dry weather through the weekend, and we'll go to the middle of next week before we get that 20% chance of showers and possibly some thunderstorms there on Wednesday. So things starting to look up. Forecast rainfall again in the southern part of the area, maybe 2.5 inches around Trinity, Lufkin, a couple of inches in the Nacogdoches area. So deep East Texas getting more of the rain this time around. A couple of inches up to Jacksonville, tapering off to about 1 inch to 1.25 inches around the I-20 corridor. And then north of there, maybe less than 1 inch, but still as much as 3/4 of an inch expected for Mineola, Gilmer, and about 1/4 inch up in the Mount Pleasant vicinity. So this will help the dry conditions that we've been suffering from across East Texas. Temperatures right now, we're in the 60s. Do see a 59-degree temperature there at Center, as these temperatures running unseasonably cool for this time of the year. Those highs are certainly going to be that way, as we don't expect to get out of the 60s, except maybe in the southern parts of deep East Texas, just struggling up to 70 and 71 degrees around the Nacogdoches and Lufkin vicinity and the lakes area of deep East Texas. These are the next 7 days. Normal high temperature 79 degrees this time of the year. We do get cooler, as you can see, 58-degree high temperature right now forecast for Friday. If it doesn't top 56 degrees, that would tie the record for the lowest maximum temperature on May 1st, at least in Tyler. It is 60 and 61 degrees in the Longview and Lufkin area, so a little bit warmer in those areas for that record. Meanwhile, our low temperatures are going to average around 59 over the next 7 days, and we'll be close to 50 degrees Saturday and Sunday mornings, starting to warm those lows up as we get into the middle of next week. Today, expect a high near 67, showers, possibly a few thunderstorms, mainly the latter part of the afternoon. Chance of rain is 50%. Tonight, 55 the low, showers and thunderstorms mainly before midnight, and then tomorrow we'll have cloudy and unseasonably cool conditions with showers and thunderstorms likely. Over the next 7 days, we get that chance of rain through Friday. It is gone by the weekend, and in deep East Texas, similar conditions coming up for you with a chance of rain the middle of next week. Check the forecast anytime at KETK.com.
Thank you, John.